Online dealers trading in virtual or digital currencies is fast gathering popularity in Nigeria. Tope Akinola is one of them. Online merchants like him are the latest headache to the Central Bank of Nigeria. He's been a Bitcoin merchant here for the past 2 years, making big profits. For him, it's a new frontier of getting richer.
The inception of cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency does not mean people will use it for money laundering. So to me, I don't see it as a threat to stop Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has really paved the way. Many persons have become rich with just getting Bitcoin, mining Bitcoin, investing in Bitcoin. So if you say, if the CBN you want to stop Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, what about other e-currency that has been used before now, like perfect money, web money?
Nigeria's recession-hit economy is faced with severe dollar crisis, forcing the central bank to cap expenditure in foreign currencies, and many are switching to the unregulated virtual currency as an alternative. But virtual currency transactions are anonymous and not traceable by central banks, and that is seen as an affront to the primary responsibility of the central bank here.
Nigeria is part of the International Financial Action Task Force. Now, you've got to be part of this process for you to be receiving financial intelligence of movements of money and anti-laundering activities. So the risk assessment issue cannot be, they can vouch for those risk assessment issues on this platform. That's anti-money laundering supervision and also terrorism financing, counter-terrorism financing. So they cannot supervise those.
Putting an end to the virtual currency trade like Bitcoin is bound to prove one of the most challenging tasks for the Central Bank of Nigeria with a persistently weakening naira. Many here find it an attractive way to hedge against depreciation, plus the transaction costs are low and untaxed. Nigeria doesn't have a legal framework to regulate virtual currency trade. So for now, the central bank has to work with a caution to financial institutions and hope that will discourage virtual currency merchants here.
If you don't have the law and the regulations, then you have to issue a disclaimer, which the CBN has done, disclaiming that this is not illegal tender. Anybody in here is doing it at his own risk. Then three, CBN has to explicitly ask the financial institutions don't trade on that platform. And then, where they find evidence that you are violating their guideline, they could suspend you and take away your license.
The number of virtual currency merchants is difficult to estimate, but the trade is expected to remain attractive as many are switching to it to hedge against lost values commonly associated with the naira. Kelechi, Emekalam, CGTN, Abuja, Nigeria.